Hello everybody, in this video I'm gonna show you my new minigame. So this minigame, just put TNT, as you can see here, just put TNT, it's a cannon, just put like this TNT, but I won't explode it. No. You put TNT here. No, not there. Right over here. And then you just click this button. But I won't do it. I'll break my own ship. So, yeah. I won't explode the TNT, obviously. Not right now. But this one... this minigame is like so small. Well, it's supposed to be small because it's a mini game. So yeah, it's only these redstones, except there's a trap here. So if you just go here, and if you just go to my room, which you're not allowed. Well, it's your game, it's up to you. So yeah, it's full of gold. So yeah, and then this is a trap chest. If you just step here, nothing happens. You see here, repeaters are on. You fall, and in survival you can't survive at all. That's really good in this ship. There's a trap, so better be careful. Let's hit the repeat. And here, there's underwater, but in there's no underwater. So this ship, it's very awesome. This is my favorite ship. So yeah, that's it. Okay, I'm gonna end this video because I need to sleep. It's night now. It's about 8 o'clock. So bye.